Hello and welcome to my channel. For recipes and instructions, see bottom page. This homemade spaghetti recipe brings the essence of Italy right to your kitchen. The silky pasta is made from scratch, combining flour, semolina and eggs for the perfect texture, then paired with a rich tomato sauce simmered gently with onions, basil and extra virgin olive oil. It's simple, authentic and full of love, the kind of meal that turns an ordinary evening into a warm Italian feast. Like and subscribe. Let's make the pasta dough. In a large bowl, whisk together the eggs, olive oil, and salt until slightly foam. Gradually add the flour and semolina, mixing till a dough begins to form. Knead the dough until smooth and firm, about 5 to 7 minutes. Cover and let it rest for 10 minutes. Cut a small piece of dough and roll it up thinly, thin enough that light passes through. Roll the sheet into a loose cylinder and slice thin strips to form spaghetti. Gently unroll the strand and dust lightly with flour to prevent sticking. Heat 3 tablespoons of olive oil in a skillet over medium-low heat. Add the diced onions and cook until fragrant and translucent. Stir in the strained tomato, salt and pepper. Cover and simmer for 10 minutes. Before adding the pasta, sharpen the basil and stir into it to the sauce. Set aside and keep it warm. Let's assemble this dish. Bring a large pot of salted water, about 1.5 tablespoons of salt to a boil. Cook fresh pasta spaghetti for 3 to 4 minutes until al dente. Drain and drizzle lightly with olive oil to prevent sticking. Toss with tomato sauce or plate the pasta and spoon the sauce on top. Garnish with fresh basil and serve warm. Bon appetit!